All right, so part B kind of builds off of part A. Part A was the manual feed, in which the button's pressed, motors run, button let go, motor stops. Run, stop, run, stop, run, stop. Part B says now you want to do more of a measured amount. You want to have it so the button is clicked, the machine will dispense a certain size paper and then stop. So up here in the lab sheet, it's going to tell you to go to line A. Line A. And what line A is, see over here, it's a little A mark right up here. So from the paper's bottom paper's edge, up to line A, that's that measurement. Because here it says we're going to dispense up to that line labeled A. See, paper's going to go in the actual machine and dispensed all the way down until it hits line A and stops. Line A and stops. That's the key. Hit line A and stop. So you go back to my robot programming. Here's part A. Motors start when it's held in, stop as released. But now I want to have a little bit different. I want to have not just a until touch. I want to actually have to click the button. So until click, which is the until bump command. So I bump the switch, it's going to run, but it's not going to shut off and it's let go. I'm not going to hold the button in. I want to go off of a certain amount of time. So measured. Same thing, you go to like McDonald's and you order up a large Dr. Pepper. Take the cup, put it in the little pop dispenser, push the L button for large. They can walk away, go get your fries and your McRib meal, come back, and the pop will stop on its own. It's because they figured out how long it must dispense for and at what rate to fill your cup. So I'm going to take and use it. When I click the button called go, the motors turn on. I'll try it 1 second, see what happens, then the motors stop. Orange cord's plugged back in already. Download the robot, see what happens. I say okay to all these steps. It just says you must power cycle it. No worries there. And then it might say it again, but it might not. Yep. And then we'll push start. So I want to have my paper dispensed. Make sure it works first. I click the button, goes and stops. Click it. The problem is the wheels are going the wrong direction. Paper's going to go in. What happens is, wrong direction. How to fix those? I'll show you that. I'm not going to go to a negative motor speed. It's going to confuse me. I want to have mine be positive because in future builds, I want to have positive be a positive direction. So I'm going to go up to my sensors up here and say, hey, robot motor, let's go the opposite direction. So I'm going to reverse it here. That way it's going to be reversed everywhere I go. Now download the robot. Now run it. That should fix it. So if yours goes correct, awesome, skip that step. If yours is like mine, the wrong direction, there's your fix. Now watch. That's better. Oh, motor fell out. Get a tighter axle collar, looks like. I gotta fix this back in my other room. I don't have an extra hex key here. There it goes. Okay. So now it should go to line A, but we're going to use the edge of the table as my little determiner there. Can we see it? Can we see okay? See the wheels here? No, yes? There they are. That's better. So to click the button, it should go to line labeled A. Line labeled A, which is way up here. Line A. So from this edge all the way to my little line where my name goes. Is one going to be enough? Let's find out. Hold the paper, click and check. Nope, not enough. So do a few more tests at 1 second, and then I'm going to adjust my speed or my time until it lands at line 1 consistently. So there's the basics of part number 1B. Any questions? Watch the video again or ask for help.